There we go, it stopped rotating, as we can see in debug mode. It's not moving around anymore. So that's good. Now we've got it poised, ready to fling us forwards. At that point, we want it to start rotating quickly back, forwards, and then we also want it to send a message to our player to tell it to get pushed away. So back in our script, we'll have another state for it, because at the moment we've only got active, true or false. Active, we're also going to have another state in here called something like flinging forwards. So it's possible for it to be charging up but not flinging forwards while it's active, and then flinging us forwards. So we'll make another variable up here when it's created to keep track of another state, and this will be called, I can't think of a better name, so we'll just make a new variable called flinging forwards. Set that to false. Now when are we going to set flinging forwards to true? We should do that when the rotation gets to -30. So here is where we're keeping track of that. We're saying if rotation is greater than -30, we're going to rotate. We'll change this if to an else. If else. Because if it isn't greater than -30, that means it's hit -30. So that means we'll set flinging forwards to true. Then we'll use this variable to actually do something. So in here, we are rotating back. Now when we set flinging forwards to true, we want to start rotating it forwards. We need to change the structure a little bit. Grab another if block, and in here, this will only happen if we're not flinging forwards. It'll be charging back and then checking flinging forwards to true. All of this will only happen if not flinging forwards. So put this if on top of here, put this inside here, and we want to say if not flinging forwards. So from operators we can use this not, and then from variables we can use true false flinging forwards. So if I'm not flinging forwards, I'm charging back. But if I am flinging forwards, I'm going to be rotating forwards quite quickly. So we need an else. Let's change the else to an else if. Just to make this a bit more readable, we can just say if flinging forwards. That means let's set the rotation to plus. Let's try plus 20. That'll be quite fast. Try that out. So it's charging back, and then boom, flinging forwards. Now we probably don't want it to keep rotating like this all the time. We'll just get it to do one whoosh revolution, and then it'll reset itself.